Delilah. That's what I'm going to call you. My Delilah. I remember the pink flowers in my dream. It's funny that you're right there at the pink flowers. And in the pink flowers in my dream that I had, the flowers had some big eyes, sort of like yours. The flower had big eyes, and it was after going over some really rough times in the dream, a rough ground. Wow. And overcoming fear. Wow. And here you sit. You sit. I know it's sit. And there goes our lovely black and white bird, and I just accidentally killed a black and white spider, unfortunately. I really tried to save its life. Honestly, I did. But in betwixt time of me, look at you. Why are you looking up to the bird? You saw what I was looking at? Yeah, I know. That's what I'm looking at, sweetie. The black and white bird that just was here last time you were here. So you guys must be partners in crime or something, huh? It's beautiful. I'm not coming all the way out there. Oh, well, I'll just sit right here. Big deal. I'm so glad that you came, and today you're not even eating. This black and white bird was here the last time, so you guys must be partners, I swear. You know, I tell you guys, you never know about, I always tell people actual souls inhabit animals and things of that nature, and yeah. It's absolutely beautiful, sweetie pie. Oh, my arms are hurting right now. I'm gonna stop. Delilah, Delilah. Anybody who knows deers know that usually when they hear noise and all that stuff, they run. She doesn't. It lets me know that she's my friend. And usually she'll eat and then go and all that great stuff. My daughter Lauren, she has a beautiful connection to deer, to animals, period, whatever. They love her, walk up to her very freely and awesome. It shows the pure spirit of a person too. This is so beautiful. My eyes are cat eyes, baby. That's where you are. I tell you, I stumbled on a photograph. Tell me that my eyes were cat's eyes. I am the embodiment of love, embodiment of peace. I am protected. I know things that humans typically wouldn't know. Oh, my God, I feel. Guys, I'm gonna go. I gotta get back to work. And there goes the white butterfly. Remember last time it was my doe came, the black and white bird, and the white butterfly. Just accidentally, you should have seen me running around here trying to save the life of the black and white spider. And I don't like the potential of it crawling on me. Let's just not do that, but yeah. Anyways, screwed up and I accidentally killed it. I put it in a jar and I accidentally pulled the jar over the little cardboard that I was trying to hold it. Oh, whatever. You guys wouldn't even understand. You had to look at me on that one, huh? Like, jeez. I love it. Oh, man. Let me get in this house. Okay, I love it. I love you guys. I love you guys.